pointing your heels, flex the toes, 1 and 7. Strong hands, 6. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Namaskara and folding forward. Thighs together, heels together, and from here your heels are up and you are moving your toes step by step to go into Utkatasana chair position and extend the hands with the ropes. Holding here, 1, 2, the tailbone is against the wall, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Inhaling, come back, exhale, release. Now from here, keeping your left foot in the center and shift slightly towards the right side. Shift slightly towards the right side. Now right foot, take the right foot and place it on the ropes. You can use the left hand to help. Keep your foot straight, pull the rope, get your elbow closed to the wall, pointing the toes, pointing your heels, flex the toes, 1, pull, 2, straight left leg, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get the left foot slightly more back and hold here. Knee opening to the sideways, knee opening to the sideways. Get your left hand up, hold here. Sideway, right knee. Now, right elbow to right knee in Namaskara. Right elbow to right knee. Both the shoulders are on the wall, against the wall. Turn the head, opposite side. Hold. 5, 6, 7. Straighten the leg. Hold. Straight body. 2. Pull. 3, 4, both hands engaged. 5, 6, 7. Release the right hand and wait, sorry, this side. Take the left hand up and right hand downward. Hold here. 1, right hand downward, the left hand is up. 2, 3, take another rope from here. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Inhaling, come back. Exhale. From here, finding the twist. Turn the left foot. Turning the left foot. Take the right foot towards the left and open the hand. Take the box, bend your elbow. Open the chest. Again, chest back to the wall. Chest back to the wall. 1, 2, 3. Why don't you spread out and give space? 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Inhaling, come back. Exhale. Now from here, drop the left knee down. Keeping your right foot here, drop the left knee down. How will you do that? Walk. and move the right leg away. Hold. 1, away from the wall. 2, keep moving your leg away from the wall. So this should not be towards the wall but away from the wall, like this. Give a pressure, kick the heel. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Standing upright, come up. Stand upright, change the leg. Release and change the leg now. Back from the starting position. Ekam, Dve, Trini. The first position. Uthita Hastapadangushthasana. Uthita Hastapadangushthasana. 1, stretch. 2, 3, 4. Where is the left leg? Where is the left leg? Tell me. Left side or in the center? Center. Okay. Then where is the right leg? Align. Your knee, both the knees are strong. If this leg is not able to straight, then keep this knee bent but pull. After pulling this, you can keep it straight. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Bend the knee, hold. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari. Open to the sideways. Extend the hand. 1, 2, get this elbow inside. Take another rope, the lower rope, open the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Straighten the leg sideways. 1 pull, 2, 3, turn the head opposite side. 4, 5, straight leg now. 6, left leg is straight. 7, 8, 9, 10. Finding the twist, turn the foot. Right foot will turn to the right side. Oh, side Parsav stretch. Sorry, my dear student. We'll do the side stretch. So take this rope, the idle rope, and from here do this side one. Extend the left hand down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhaling, twist. Turn the foot. Move the leg. Move your trunk back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this hand, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Inhaling, come back. Exhale. The knee has to drop. Dropping the knee and kick. Move the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, don't watch back, look forward, strong hands, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhaling, come back, exhale. Now from here, release. Take the lower rope, put it behind. Behind the chest, behind the chest. Sitting in Malasana, this should not slide. Do not allow to slide it down. Head back, catch the knees, press the jaw, keep moving the chin up. 1, the chest is opening. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhaling, come back, exhale, stand upright.